You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in English, a very simple, very common word, but the pronunciation confuses quite a few people, non-native English speakers in particular, because it looks like it should be pronounced as changes, right, or changes. In British English, however, the pronunciation is as changes. Chain, as in a chain, and then jizz. Yes, it's a Z sound at the end, not an S sound, so it's not changes or changes, rather changes. I hope this helped. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. See you soon for more pronunciations. Changes. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.